I have a little boy, Kristian, and he will be 7 this September. And for the last 3 years, we've tried really hard to get a school place, and we've just not got it. It's like the biggest competition I've been in my life, and I'm the biggest loser of it, because really for the last 3 years I have actively tried engaging with all those people I have to, and I've never got that secured position for him to go. It's not necessarily our problem or his problem that we're not getting into school. It's more the system. There's a complete failure.
But he has
somehow.
Does he have additional needs?
He has additional needs. He is autistic. He has an intellectual disability, and he's non-verbal as well. We are waiting ADHD assessments because there's been some red flags shown through his childhood. And like that's where the problem comes in. If Kristian had no disability, we probably would not have a fight like this to get into school.
How difficult is he aware that, you know, she's starting junior, like he's not getting the opportunity to go to school?
So for the last 2 years, Kristian has sat and watched his other 2 siblings go to the same preschool he went to. And every day we go and collect him, and he still wants to go inside. He's very aware of what the world has for him, what's to offer.
Because he went to nursery, didn't he?
He went to nursery, and he absolutely loved it, and he really thrived in nursery. He enjoyed all the same routines, the structures, the people. He made friends, he made relationships with other adults.
Do you feel he's regressing, not having
Yeah,
that?
so I've watched him regress like for a very long time now, where before he could stay for 2 minutes and engage in activities or just play along, parallel playing with other children. He's very isolated, he's on his own now. He has a lot of anxiety. Just some days he doesn't want to go out of the house. And that's because he had nowhere to go. There was no opportunity
taxing on
given.
you as well.
Yeah, so I've been at home with Kristian, and even though we're still doing the school run, it's just he doesn't have the bag or the uniform or the coat.
And he knows
And
all of that.
he knows.
Of course he does.
He has a little learning journal at home, and he would sit and watch that and look at his past memories, basically. And when I say to Kristian, would you like to go to school? He just smiles. Because he knows, you know, and I'm putting so much emphasis now on the end of August for my daughter. Are you looking forward to big school?
Yeah.
And it's hard because my heart is in 2 places.